Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn another automation by which you can connect LeadSquared application with your Slack channel. So guys, we have designed and created this automation to fast pace and streamline your lead collection process. So now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you are going to capture any lead from your landing page and the lead got stored in LeadSquared application, which is a lead management tool, a message will be delivered to the Slack channel in which your team is communicating, saying them that you have generated a new lead and the details of the lead are these. Okay, so it will save your time in manually copy pasting the data from one application to second application. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as LeadSquared to Slack automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. All right, and on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be collection of a new lead from our landing page in LeadSquared, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a message on Slack channel about the new lead got captured. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application as LeadSquared. Okay, here it is selected. All right, and the trigger event would be new landing page submission, this one. So it will trigger when a lead submission occurs on a landing page. Okay, right. So when you select this, it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with our LeadSquared application. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that connection. So to make this connection, you need to follow these steps written here. You can see you need to reach the settings page of LeadSquared application. There you have to select this webhooks option. Okay, let me show you the settings page of LeadSquared. So guys, this is the settings page of LeadSquared. You can reach here from this profile icon, and here you have to click on API and webhooks tab, and under API and webhooks you will find this webhooks section. Click on webhooks, and here guys you will find this create button. So click on create. Okay, and here it will ask to select the event. So here you have to select that event on which you want to send the data from LeadSquared to your workflow. So guys, I want that as and when I capture any lead from a landing page that I have created here, so the data will be delivered to my workflow. So here I am going to select this event, landing page submission. Okay, and here it is asking for the webhook URL. So in this field, you have to copy and paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and paste it here like this. Okay, and select the content type as application/JSON. All right, and here you can give a small description of this webhook connection. So I'm giving the description as leads to Slack. You can give any small description as you want. Here I'm writing this, and now click on save, and a new webhook will be saved here like this, right? And here you can see, as I have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the response, and now it is showing the label and the value. So it will show label and value when you are done adding the webhook here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response button. Okay, click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for webhook's response again. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means I am going to manually create a dummy lead from my landing page, and the data of that dummy lead will be captured here in this workflow, and that will act as a test data for us, and with the help of that we are going to move forward. Okay, so this is the landing page I have created from LeadSquared application, and here I am asking these things from my lead. So let me fill in the details. So let's say the name of my dummy lead is dummy1, last name is name only, and here I am putting email address as this. Okay, here let me fill in the contact details. All right, now I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the lead form is submitted and we got a new lead generated inside LeadSquared. So I can show you the newly generated lead from this lead sections of LeadSquared. And here you can see a new lead is here named as dummy1 name, and this is the email address. Okay, now this same lead will be captured here in my workflow also. Here you can see in this workflow we got the data of this lead like this. Okay, it is showing us the details of the lead like this. Okay, that's how you can capture the test data. Now I want to send the details of this lead as a new message to my team present on Slack channel. So here I'm going to connect Slack in this actions tab. So from here, search for Slack. Here it is, select it. And the action event would be send channel message. Okay, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack. All right, and here it is asking for the token type. So here we have two token types to make this connection, user and bot. So by using these tokens, you can have different permissions for each token type. So if you want to know more about Slack tokens, you can just click here on this here word and you will reach this page, the forum page of Pabbly. And here you can see that when you use user as a token, you will get all these permissions, and when you use bot, you will get these kind of permissions. So here I'm going to use user as a token type. Okay, so I'm just copying this. You can just type it here, user. Okay, and then click on save, and it will bring you to this window. From here you have to give some permissions to Pabbly Connect to make connection. So just click on allow and you will be connected with Slack. You can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And in Slack you can see I have many text channels, and this is a text channel in which my team is chatting named as Pabbly team. Okay, so I'm going to select this text channel from this channels list. So when you click here, it will show you all the channels. From here, search for your channel. So here we have Pabbly team text channel selected. Okay, and here it is asking for a message that you want to send. So here let me type the message as this: hello team. So guys, I have typed this kind of message. You can see hello team, we have got a new lead capture from our landing page. The details are as follows. So here I want to send the name of the lead, the email and the contact. So guys, here I have received the test data, and in which I have received these test details. So I'm going to map these labels guys here in this message. So for you just have to click on this message like this in front of the name, and you will see this LeadSquared option in the drop down, which was our first tab. And when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received as the test data. From here I'm going to map the name as this first name, and let me map the full name here. Okay, similarly you can map the email and the contact that you have received from the landing page. Okay, all right, and we got the data here mapped. Okay, so when you map labels like this, after setting up this automation in real time, whenever you are going to capture a real lead, the labels are going to change automatically and a new message will be delivered to your team according to the new data of the lead. Okay, and here we have all these options also. You can use these options according to your needs. Right now I just want to send a message. So now you can check your connection with Slack by clicking on save and send test request, and a message will be delivered here to your team like this. Okay, so let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. So guys, this is the response we have received here, and let me show you the message. And here you can see in Slack we got a message like this: hello team, we've got a new lead captured from our landing page. The details are as follows, and these are the same details that I have mapped here like this. You can see in this workflow, okay, in this message. So this is how it is going to work guys. Now we are done setting up this automation, And after setting up this once, you don't have to do anything manually here. Now, as and when anyone is going to fill your lead generation form and you capture a lead, a message will be delivered to your team like this automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.